Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the audio. Shorter ringtones behave better. Convert to AAC or M4A and trim to under 40 seconds so iOS accepts it. Once done, connect your iPhone with a cable, unlock the device and tap Trust if prompted. Make sure iTunes or Finder recognizes the phone. This is necessary to transfer tones. While you prepare, name the file clearly so you can find it later. This saves time and prevents duplicate imports. Now create the ringtone file, open your audio editor and select the exact clip, aim for a hook or the recognizable part. Export as AAC because iOS expects that container, then change the extension from M4A to M4R. This flags it as a tone. Next, drag the M4R into iTunes or the Finder Tones section. You should see it appear under Tones. Once imported, sync or apply the tone to your iPhone. Finally, set the ringtone directly on the iPhone. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone and pick your new tone. If it doesn't show up, reconnect the cable and confirm the tone appears in the Finder or iTunes. Enable syncing of tones and sync again. Make sure your file is under 40 seconds. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and re-import the M4R. This resolves most transfer glitches by forcing the system to refresh the tone library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.